Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am working on a triptych. It is 4 inches by 12 inches each one, so it's basically 12-inch square. And I am really excited about this one. I am doing the bloom technique kind of meshed with the Dutch pour. So I have gone ahead and put my pillows down and then I spread them out, and now I put a little extra pillow, and I'm probably going to put more before I put the colors down. So I'm going to do a bloom here, here, and here, and then tilt them off, but keep this as empty spaces. So we are using Arteza Mars Black, Arteza Gold, and my topper is Amsterdam White mixed with a little bit of floetrol and 2 drops, and a little bit of water and 2 drops of the Minwax pre-stain wood conditioner. So that's what we're gonna do. I started before and I forgot to put the pillows down, and so I just had this thin dill of white, and let me tell you, that's not the way to make this successful, because then the blooms looked okay, but they wouldn't move anywhere. They're just there. That was it. That was gonna be all it was. So I am going to, I'm gonna put a little gold on bottom, then black, then gold on top. I was going to put more pillow paint. You see, I make the same mistake over and over. Ridiculous. There we go. Okay, let's put some more pillow paint down. Just to make sure that these can move. All right, that ought to do it. All right. Gold first. Oh, kind of messy. Then black. Then a little bit of gold again. Okay, calm down. It'll be fine. It's going to be blown off anyway. Oh, this one's leaving us. Woo. Come back. All right, let's just get this blown out because it is going to go. Can you see me? That one looks really good. All right, let's do this one. Whoa, it's leaving too. I seem to be out of control today. This one didn't leave much, just a little. So let's get it blown out. All right, there we go. They actually, so far, look really good, I think. So let's, actually, I want one more blow on this. Yeah, there we go. All right, now I'm going to give them 3 minutes to rise back up to the top, and then we will stretch them out. Okay, it's only been a couple minutes, but it's lighting off, so I think I should get to it. Pop in a few bubbles here. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one first. Just kind of rotating it around a little bit. And then I will probably work on the other ones and then come back to this one just to see how they're fitting together. So let's go to this one. This one's kind of wonky looking. Let me blow it out a little bit. be able to see what I'm doing. Move it down a little bit. Move it off the side a little bit. A little bit more. Okay. I'm going to blow it one more time. Yeah. All right, let's work on this one. Tilt it this way a bit. Which I can't see. I'll do it this way. Okay, let's see where we're at. There's a couple of things I want to fix. I need that to have a more better shape, so I'm going to blow on it. All right, I like that better. It's not flattened. And okay, maybe that'll help. I'm not sure. I didn't really care if these look like blooms. I just wanted to have kind of the lacing and distinctly the gold and the black and white. So I think it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna blow this just a little bit. Don't know if that's helping. I kind of like the curve now. And on this one, I'm going to try to blow it out a little bit. The straw might help for me to see what I'm doing better, but I don't know. I think I'm about done anyway. So what do you guys think? I am in love with the bloom technique, and I want to see what else I can do with it. So I don't want everything to be flowers, but I like the recipe. I like playing around with the recipe and seeing what, you know, I can get, and with the different colors. I was so excited to try this triptych, so I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. This is the left side. It's got so much lacing and all the gold kind of mixed with the black. Oh, love it. All right, here's the middle one. Again, lots of lacing, lots of gold. All right, this one has a little bit less lacing, but it's still very pretty. I think it still goes as a whole. So there it is on the whole. I will touch up a couple of the white spots to make sure there's enough white paint on the background to dry evenly, and I think this is pretty good. I hope you guys have fun. Thanks for hanging with me. Thanks for being on this journey with me. Please like and subscribe, and if you could, share this video. I am trying to grow my channel, and I would really, really appreciate all your help. Be inspired.